Witness the incredible evolution of computers and IT, from bulky mainframes to sleek devices, now seamlessly integrating AI and robots with human ingenuity. Our company makes this future possible with expert solutions, IT support, desktop and laptop repairs, network cabling and support, plus freelance admin assistance. Master the essentials with our training: computer basics, hardware and software, mouse and keyboard skills, and full Microsoft Office suite, Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Elevate your business with PDF editing, multimedia creations like logos, flyers, business cards, videos, and YouTube plus Google Maps listings. We're easily accessible on most social media platforms. Choose us for our fast turnaround, 100% remote and flexible service, and our team of experienced and trustworthy professionals. Our services are proudly available throughout South Africa. Contact us at 084-705-6344 to explore our comprehensive offerings today.